Hey guys, welcome to our Trending Today YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about the extension that I have built for verifying the UI design from Figma. So let's get started. Okay, this is my website, my personal portfolio, and this is the extension that I have created. You can log in with Figma like this and give the access to my application for those Figma, and as you see now, you can now just add the list of domains. Okay, so now let me add the domain. So these domains are the one where we can toggle between the design and our actual website. So these are the options available right now. So let's go into the Figma, and then we'll tell you how to add the mapping. Let me restart my browser. So yeah, now we are in Figma, and this is the design, and you see here you can actually map URL and to its layout. So now let me select a layout and then click on it. So giving the URL and the layout mobile basically. So right now I have updated the mapping. Now let's go to this domain, and now I am pressing command plus D just to toggle between the design and then the website. See here, you can see the quick switch between the design layout and the actual website. This plugin used to help faster development of website with accurate design matching between the Figma design as well as your website. You can even add additional domains under which you need to toggle between those design layouts, and you can even add additional mapping. Then like if you want to know it furthermore, you can click on this. You will have all the details listed here, and yeah, this is it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.